How to log out YouTube or Google account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log out YouTube or Google account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically log out your YouTube or Google account from other devices, you can open up any YouTube app or any Google app. Just come to your profile icon, then just go to Google account option here. That will take you to the Google account management page. So once you select Google account management option here, you'll be able to come to this particular page, where what you can do is you can simply go to this option here known as security, and once you go to security option, you can simply scroll and you can simply look for the option called your devices. Then tap on the manage all devices button there. Then when you tap on manage all devices, you will be able to see a list of devices currently logged in with your account. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and select a certain device that maybe you do or maybe you don't recognize, and then after that you just have to tap on the sign out button, then tap on the sign out option to sign out of those accounts. This way you can remove your YouTube or Google account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.